All right, this is the last phase of rescuing Debbie. I did make some slight modifications to that tab in there, so this now fits over there a little easier and kind of clicks into place. So I think that's going to be okay. Again, I got this thing really in rough shape. It's got the original spark plug in it. I did pull it out and look at it and gapped it, made sure that was okay. I put a different blade on it in case the blade was bent. I still haven't lubricated the back wheels yet, but they're not too bad. So what we're gonna do is take this out here and pull the cord and see if it starts. Got a little bit of gas in the tank. Got my new pull cord on there. Got my little clamp so I can hold the engine brake down. Let me get this Toro out of the way. And now we're gonna get this guy, or Debbie rather, off the operating table and take her out in the back 40 and see if she's gonna crank or not. So all we're doing together now is taking a little walk. And hopefully I can pull the cord on this thing and hold the camera at the same time. My neighbor's watering his lawn with his sprinklers today. He's got him a nice pool. Wow, the wind is blowing today. This is where the fun comes in, because you never know what you've got. If you got one that's smoking so bad, you just end up tossing it, or one that's worn out and is just banging and beating and horrible. And sometimes you pull the cord and it just runs smooth as like it's supposed to. Now I don't have to prime this one, so I think I'll just pull the cord on it and see what happens. I got my little clamp there. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and hold the camera.